we, the people of this country, owe a huge debt of gratitude to the people that loaned him to us. The people sitting in the front of this church today, Aunt Mitzi, Christopher, Annabella, Andrew, and later in life, Carlo and Gabriel. You see, ladies and gentlemen, it is them that as a country we need to thank for selflessly giving him to us at their own expense. He gave up many birthdays, anniversaries, and school plays, all so that he could give to us, give Jamaica his life. He did so from the day that he could think for himself, and he did so until he took his last breath. Carlo, you were Uncle Eddie's silent soldier, and he was your life. You were loyal and steadfast, and he was your strength. Aunt Mitzi said that he taught her so much, and she felt privileged to play a role in his life, whilst he dreamt of what a new Jamaica should look like, and actually watched as he made it happen. One might say she softened a more younger, stubborn persona of that time and played a peacemaker role, which was critical to both him and, by extension, our nation. Christopher, Annabella, Andrew, and Gabby, you gave him a joy like nothing else did. His extended family, me being a part of it, always knew that he was there for us, available to discuss matters with us, business or personal. He was a family patriarch, or as Rebecca put it, he was our North Star. We will miss him dearly. In speaking to Annabella, Chris, and Andrew, they treasured his wit and how funny he was and how he was able to see humor in life. You see, most of us saw him from a distance and saw a harder exterior. His kids, on the other hand, saw a loving father that hugged and kissed them and held their hands, even with the boys, when that was not the common thing to do in Jamaica. And from his baby, Gabby, she, as expected, being the youngest, was having a hard time communicating her thoughts to me. So she wrote this and asked me to read it, and I will. For Daddy, you have been my hero and a wonderful father. I'm thankful for the experiences and the memories that we shared and for all that you taught me, like how to fly a kite and how to appreciate art and some museums. Daddy, you taught me the importance of education and at times helped with my homework. I learned from you the importance of nature and how to improve my swimming. I loved watching documentaries about history with you, and I learned so much about music, like reggae, ska, and even classical music. Daddy, I'm going to make you proud. Gabby.